So for those longtime viewers of the channel, you know we have loved Bellroy products for a long time. This isn't just phone cases and accessories like that. We use their wallets on a daily basis. And when they reached out telling us they had some new cases for the Pixel 9 Pro series device, or actually Pixel 9 series in general, you know we had to hop on that. And they were kind enough to send us two of their cases right here in, I think, two of the best colorways that are available this year. So I want to go ahead and show you these quick hands-on. We'll make this one short and simple for you guys today. I'll throw those affiliate links up down below if you want to pick them up. Let us know what you think. What is your favorite Bellroy product as well? Let's jump into it. For those of you that actually watch the channel and follow along with this regularly, you know we already did an initial look at some of the less expensive case offerings from third-party manufacturers. But one thing that they don't share is the quality of a leather case that you get from a company like Bellroy. And as you can see here, we have that tried and true terracotta color, as well as a new ruby red colorway that I think is going to look really nice on any Pixel 9 device. Obviously, we have the Pixel 9 Pro XL in-house. So I'm going to show you how these two look with this, specifically in that quartz colorway. So let's go with our old school, tried and true color pattern. This is the terracotta. As you guys know, it's eco-tanned leather. It does have a built-in magnet on the case, which again, for those of you that follow the channel, I love MagSafe accessories. That is good to see. And they do have, obviously, all of its standard Bellroy stuff. Soft microfiber interior, built-in magnet like we talked about, anodized aluminum buttons, and full edge-to-edge wrap of premium leather. Sliding this right out of the box, you can see just how good that brown looks. These age so nicely. You just got to know, if you've never used a Bellroy product, these are a little bit more pricier, but they last a lot longer and definitely give a more premium look. So, having said that, let's pop it right on the back here. And you can see just how easy it actually does go on. You have a nice little lip on the side to protect the screen if it falls. And yeah, just a nice, classy looking color. Like I said too, we do love MagSafe accessories. We have one of the wallets right here from Caseology. And you can see that it does stick on thanks to that case, and sticks on pretty strongly as well. Just as good as a MagSafe adapter would work for an iPhone. So you have your ColourPop wallet, could stand it up if you want. Whereas if you just had the Pixel itself, let's take it out of the case, it just didn't want to grip quite as well. Just slides kind of on and off. It's there, but it's not as good. So, setting that one to the side, now one I was really interested in is almost this, well, it's called Ruby for a reason. It is a brightish, reddish, orange case here. Again, same style, still have your MagSafe ring here. Nice, hard plastic with that eco-tanned leather, and throwing this one on might be the play. And as you can see here again, that is how nice this looks with this color pattern here on the Pixel 9 Pro XL. Again, same concept like I said, still have that MagSafe adapter, still will attach seamlessly right on and look great in the process. I actually like this ColourPop case with either of these Pixel cases. If you're a fan of having some contrasty colors, this could be the way to go. So, between these two, do you guys have a preference on which style you like the best? Again, quick video for you guys. I will throw that affiliate link up down below. Needless to say, I'm probably going to be rocking it with this for now, and then eventually flip-flop between the two because I don't think I can actually stick to one of these cases long enough. They both look so good, especially with those matching anodized aluminum buttons on the side, and the port cutouts are perfectly well also. So yeah, that's it for this one. Thanks for watching. We will catch you in the next one. Peace.